Hey, welcome to your daily dose of duds. This is 11.4a day 2. This will be our practice day on this target of finding area circle. Only 2 activities today. I'm going to do some review problems with you and talk a little bit about rounding. And then periods 1 and 3 and 6, you'll do the Schoology activity, 11.4a prac. And periods 2 and 4, you're going to do Schoology activity, 11.3a, 11.4a, circle word problems. Let's get started. I want to look at rounding to the nearest tenth today, just as a refresher. So we have this circle here with a radius of 6.5, and we need to find the area of it. So we just pi r at 3.14 times 6.5 times 6.5. We get 132.665. So here's our answer down here. If we're rounding to the nearest tenth, which is the dime spot if you think about money, we can just put a door in behind that. Look behind the door. Is this number big enough to pop this guy up? Well, the rule is 4 to the floor, 5 to the sky. Well, this one's above 5 or above, so we can pop this guy up to a 7 and make this 132.7 inches squared. Here's another one. Round this one to the nearest tenth. This time we have a diameter of 16.2. So first thing we got to do is get a radius, because if we can't pi DD it, we have to pi RR it. So we got 3.14 times 8.1 times 8.1. We get our area is equal to 206.0154. Put that number down. Kind of a weird one. But look in the 10th spot. We've got a 0 there. Put a door in. Look behind the door. Some people say one's knocking on the door. Is there enough to pop that guy up for one more? Well, no. This is 4 to the floor. This is too small. This guy just stays as a 0. So you could call it 206.0 inches square. I just leave it as 206 because 0.0 and nothing is the same thing. All right, 2 problems for you to try. Go ahead and try this one right here. Round to the nearest tenth, you got a radius of 3.1 inches. All right, let's see how you did. Okay, you should have ended up with 7.54385. Here's your 10th spot. Look behind it. It's a 4. 4 to the floor. It's not enough to bump that guy up. Just stays at 7.5 inches squared. One more. Go ahead and give this one a shot. Yeah, I'm in the art room at school. Don't ask. All right. Here we go. I should have had 158.2874. All right. Here's your 10th spot. You got a 2 in the dime position. You put the door in, look behind it. That's bigger than 5, so we can pop this guy up to a 3, 158.3. All right, you're going to use that no matter which of the activities you choose. Let's just do the 1-3 activity first. This is a Schoology activity. These are the questions right here. So just go and find the Schoology puzzle piece listed on today's calendar. Go ahead and click in. I'm asking you to round to the nearest tenth. If you can't do that, if it's just too difficult for you, if you put in the regular answer, that comes up in your calculator, you will get it correct as well. I put in 5 different attempts on this so that you can get this correct. I'm just going to jump back to the front page for a minute here and just remind you that both groups, the 1-3-6 and the 2-4, you're all doing 1 through 12 problems. Please number and record your work. This will make your 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th submission easier, because you'll just have to go back and change the ones that you did wrong. So just label 1 through 12 and write down what you put in your calculator so you know what you got and you know what you did wrong. Okay, 4 and 6, you guys are going to do some grade level word problems, and these are kind of challenging. This is what they look like. This will be a Schoology activity, 11.3a, 11.4a, circle word problems, and I will give you multiple attempts too. I think I set that up for 5 attempts as well. Okay, good luck, and there is nothing for you to submit today. There was no upload, so this will be your grade for the day. This is one of the 2 Schoology activities. Thanks so much.